All right, here we have a basic pre-calculus question, graph the ellipse, and you're given this equation here. I think it's important to, when you're at this level of math, to just understand that math is not a mystery. It is an instruction booklet. Unfortunately, some teachers and professors have insecurity issues, so they like to create this concept that they know something you don't and you can't figure it out, but it's just an instruction booklet. Math was invented by humans, so you can only be told how to do it. You can't just magically figure it out. Physics, on the other hand, is a different story, but you can't do physics without math. So, instruction booklet. Whenever you have a question, if you don't know how to answer it, it means you don't know how to answer it. Don't try to think and figure it out, just go get the instructions. So here are the instructions. We want to graph the ellipse. Instructions. You need to get it into the standard form of an ellipse, which is this form. And then you just need to know these little things here, right, left, top, bottom points, and the center point. You have those 4 points, you can grab it. Now, graph it. Now, you might be asked for more, like the focus and things and others. You might be asked for more details, but they'll tell you that in the question. But again, go get the instructions. There's all instructions. There's nothing complicated about this. So you got H, A, K, and B here. You just plug those into these once you get it into that form, and then you're good to go. So I rewrote the initial equation. We just do basic arithmetic to first start off by making the right side equal to 1 by dividing by 80, then simplify, then square the objects. And I only get 5 minutes to talk on these videos, so I got to be quick with these things on Wyzant. So then there is no, the center is the origin, so I just subtracted 0, 0 there to get the forms for H and K. And then you pull off the square here, and then you got your components. When you go, I think what confuses people is how do you get the square off of the 20? Well, you just add a radical to it and then square it, because those two things will cancel each other out, right? And then you can pull out the 2. And then we'll simplify the radical and so forth and whatnot. And so then you just plug those values into those formula. That's it. It's an instruction booklet. There's nothing mysterious about it. And then you have your center, and you have your right point, your left point, right point, left point, top, bottom point, and your center. You have all those, then you can just draw the ellipse around it. Now they might ask you to find other points like right around here and here and here. I don't believe it said that in this question though. So this is just a simple rewrite it in this form and find these points and then plot it. So that's it. If you're interested in hiring me for tutoring, you can scan the QR code here or visit this URL. And if you're interested in my ultimate cheat sheet that covers every subject that any STEM major is going to take all the way through differential equations with an initial introduction story, it's about a half-hour, 45-minute read. It'll change your life. I highly recommend you read that, How to Study Before You Go to College. That's 15 years of me dealing one-on-one with college students and myself going to college, explaining in a very isolated, to-the-point thing that will just save you a ton of time. So great book. Check it out. You can scan here if you want to get it. And good luck in your semester this year. Thanks.